Hello there, I hope you are all fine by grace of God. So I'm thinking today whether I will shoot a video or not. Since morning I have been thinking this, but I have not shoot any video today, and that's why I am shooting this. I want to upload this video. This will be very small video. And even I have not taken meditation today. Sometimes I take meditation. Meditation is most powerful thing according to me. I hope this. That's why sometimes I take meditation. Okay, and I practice English conversation, but I have no friend who can speak English with me. So one thing I face a problem that is very big problem according to me. I face this because whenever I go to speak English, then I think I have to learn, I have to know more about English, then I will start to speak English. But it is wrong. This thinking is wrong for me because whatever I know, that's enough to speak English for me. I hope because in which situation what I need to say if I am unable to make the sentence. So because doesn't matter because one sentence we can make different ways. So there are many ways to make a sentence. So that's why I hope I had better start whatever I know. With that, I need to speak English. Okay, so please help me. Those who will practice one another. Okay, and how is my videos and also how is my speaking. So please tell me in comment box how is my English speaking, and will I be success to speak English fluency. So please comment me in comment section. Okay, so that's all. Those who will practice will try to conversation one another. So that's all for the time for today.